Hey there, party people. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the energetic and vibrant dance culture on the beaches of Goa. So, put on your dancing shoes and get ready to groove, because we're talking about the Goa Beach Dance. When you think of Goa, one of the first things that come to mind is the exhilarating dance scenes on its stunning beaches. People from all walks of life gather here to immerse themselves in the lively atmosphere and let loose on the dance floor, or rather, the sandy shores. Goa is famous for its beach parties and festivals, where dancing takes center stage. You can witness both individuals and groups swaying, twirling, and grooving to the music. The pulsating beats and electrifying ambience create an irresistible urge to move your body and join in on the fun. The Goa Beach Dance scene is absolutely amazing. The energy, the music, and the beautiful beach backdrop make it an unforgettable experience. Dancing on the beaches of Goa is a liberating feeling. It's like the music becomes a part of your soul, and you just let go and dance like nobody's watching. The Goa Beach Dance is not limited to a specific style. You'll find a mix of contemporary, Bollywood, hip-hop, traditional Goan, and even international dance forms being showcased on the beaches. It's a melting pot of cultures and dance styles, where everyone is encouraged to express themselves through movement. If you're new to dancing or want to learn a few moves, don't worry. Goa has got you covered. The beaches are home to numerous dance workshops and instructors who offer lessons to both beginners and experienced dancers. It's a great way to brush up on your skills or try something new while enjoying the breathtaking beach views. Apart from regular beach parties, Goa hosts a variety of festivals and events that revolve around dance. From the Sunburn Festival to the Goa Carnival, these events bring together renowned DJs, performers, and dance enthusiasts from around the world. It's a celebration of music, dance, and pure joy that attracts thousands of visitors each year. The Goa Beach Dance is not just about individual expression. It also showcases the rich cultural heritage of the region. During festivals and traditional events, you'll witness mesmerizing folk dances like the Fugdi, Dekni, and Dalo, performed by locals in vibrant attire. These dances depict the history and traditions of Goa, adding a unique flavor to the dance scene. The Goa Beach dance culture has had a significant impact on the tourism industry in Goa. People from all over the world visit the state to experience the infectious energy and vibrant dance parties. It has become a magnet for music and dance enthusiasts, contributing to the local economy and making Goa a thriving hub for entertainment and nightlife. But it's not just about the parties and the festivals. The Goa Beach Dance represents a sense of freedom, unity, and pure enjoyment. It brings people together, regardless of their backgrounds, to share moments of pure bliss and create lasting memories. And that concludes our virtual journey into the lively dance culture on the beaches of Goa. We hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into the world of the Goa Beach Dance. So, next time you find yourself on the Goan shores, don't hesitate to kick off your shoes, let the music guide your feet, and dance like there's no tomorrow. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our future adventures. Until then, keep dancing and keep spreading the joy.